Jai Hind everyone, this is Riya Dubey. I belong to the city of Lakes, Bhopal, and I am a marketing student of 2023-25 PGDM batch of IIEBM Indus Business School. Today, I'd like to share my transformative journey through this remarkable 2-year program. Starting this phase of life was no walk in the park. Initially, the structured and disciplined daily routine at IIBM felt rigorous. However, with time I realized that it was just meticulously designed for us, whether in terms of personal development, professional preparedness or communication prowess. The support from the management and the faculty was nothing short of extraordinary. They played a crucial role in helping me secure a summer internship at a very reputed organization, and this opportunity became the cornerstone of my career journey. From the outset, the management ensured that we were thoroughly prepared and we were immensely being benefited by the domain training sessions, group discussions, mock personal interviews and one-on-one mentorship programs. These programs and sessions not only helped us in gaining confidence but also helped in sharpening our skills to face the corporate world. In addition to that, the regular interactive conversations with the corporate leaders also enriched the journey. It helped us to introspect and answer key questions like why do we want to pursue a course like PGDM and what do we want to achieve in life, etc. When the placement season arrived, the rigorous preparation bore fruit. Sitting for an interview for a globally renowned organization like Marico Limited was a nerve-wracking yet amazing experience. Thanks for the strong foundation built at IIBM through academic rigor and extensive grooming, I was able to successfully crack the interview and secure a position. I owe my gratitude to the faculty, management and subject matter experts whose constant encouragement and guidance helped unlock my potential. Thank you IIBM for being the transformative force in my journey. Jai Hind.